tend to go through a lot of towels in my house, especially in the summer when we're out and about at beaches and pools. Luckily, LG has created a special towel cycle, so I don't need to think about the best way to wash those piles of towels I always seem to have flying around. The towel cycle is designed specifically for washing towels. You can add Turbo Wash to the cycle, which will shorten the cycle time slightly, or add the Cold Wash option if you prefer maximum cleaning performance using only cold water. Soak, stain care, extra rinses, and Water Plus can also be added to the cycle, though these options will increase cycle time. Available options may vary by model. Remember to use high-efficiency detergent and never exceed the detergent manufacturer's recommended amount for your load type and size. Do not fill the detergent dispenser over the maximum fill line. By selecting the appropriate cycle for your load type, you can optimize wash performance when using your LG washer.